Hey, I'm Fish. My mic is over here by mid-chest, the breastbone, right? Now, my audio is on 0 dB. When I did a video last time, my audio sounded low. Maybe because the reason of my other camera was set on 0 dB, that sounded loud. This is the DJI Mic 2. I feel it does a mighty fine job. The only thing it doesn't do is noise canceling and remote for the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Fish, when you did that video, it sounded pretty good, if asked. Now, the things I like and dislike, a love and hate relationship with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Like anything, we have things we like and dislike. When I start my camera, I always format my card. And to find it is swipe down over to the card and go till you see it midway. I don't like where it's at. Another thing I don't like is when I start my camera in the off position and hitting the shutter, quick capture. Quick capture is not fast like some cameras today. Some of the things I like, when you go over to the side and you have filters to choose from. I like the large bullet in the front of the camera, nice and wide, easy to see that you know you are recording. The thing I don't like is when I hit the shutter long press to delete and the screen is flipped down, I don't see any acknowledgement on the front font screen. The thing I love the most in this camera is I have the 2:35:1 aspect ratio in 4K to choose, but I don't like that I have an option, none at all, for 6K video. Now what I'm trying to do here is just talk to the camera and share my thoughts out loud to you with the audio sound with the DJI Mic 2, that if I was to get an Insta360 Mic Air, it'd be good to have as a remote control unit as well. Also along with the Insta360 family, the X5, where it would really count. Now the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has a vibration like the Insta360 X4, X3, and latter. Now the X5, they take it away to make room for other components in their camera. In this video, I enabled the dual audio track. So this way, the DJI Mic 2 and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, you can hear if you like the internal and the Bluetooth. Now, I don't have the option to adjust anything else but the gain. And the gain will be the next test I will do. So yeah, I was going to do a test and read off so you can hear the sounds of the camera. I'm going to now switch to a positive 3 dB gain and see if this will sound better or worse for me. We increased the dB level to positive 3 and still talking in the same voice, and my mic is right over here underneath my shirt. When I look on the computer and I change the different dB levels, I do see that I am within the negative 12 dB level. And the last video I did, and the reasons for this video, was because, like I said at the early start of the video, I sounded lower than the other camera I had. So this is a test. I will bring the dB levels back down to 0 dB. You know, like the TV sets we have or other things you have, an equalizer that you could adjust the bass, the midtones, and the trebles. Well, there is something in the application called Dolby Vision, and I got no clue what that's about. Well, let's get to the highlight of my talk and see how I sound and finish this off, because today and the days ahead are not going to be nice. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro compared to the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Not today, but I could talk about it, share about it, and show some about it on another video. So yeah, I got a soccer ball here. Think I'm gonna take it with me and go have some fun with it, right? Now, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, this camera in my arsenal, my gear, it's a great vlogging camera. Want to get those shots and you got the time? Perfect camera for a person. But if you're on the go and you're trying to get a quick capture shot, that's going to be something that you're going to not capture. Oh, look! And you're going to miss the shot, like yesterday. No matter what I grabbed, I would have missed the shot. Guy hops out of his van, closes the door, he adjusts his pants as he's walking. The car rolled forward. He immediately jumped in. No way I could have grabbed the camera and started it. It would have been over no matter what. So having a camera, what's more important to you? Battery life, startup time, and taking an excellent picture. And that's where one camera does a good job. But having a camera that has average battery time, average startup time, and excellent video quality may be the camera you're looking for. Well, that's the thing. If you're unsure about the camera, ask support. Get with sales and see how they answer you and talk to them. Time for me to walk. Things are not like they used to be. And yeah, gotta get on out of here. So let's get on walking, get on talking. So what do you like about your action camera? What action camera do you have and what do you like about it? Post that down below. I haven't done one of these with this camera pointed to the sky. Sure I did. I'm showing you that. Look at the day. Look at the trees. Look at the sky. I don't have my mirror up, so I'm not sure what's coming behind. But there you go. I'm Fish. And I catch on another video. Follow the yellow brick line. Follow the yellow tar line. La 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 la. See you later. Have a great day.